western New York field where two John Deere S780 combines are harvesting soybeans. Each of these combines has a 45-foot flex draper head on it. The combines are able to move at about 4 miles per hour through the field and can harvest up to 20 acres per hour per machine. The draper heads have a conveyor belt that brings all the crop to the center to feed the machine, rather than an auger like a traditional grain head would have. The grain cart is being pulled by a Fendt 1162 MT tractor on tracks. These tracks are really impressive to watch. This grain cart tractor flies through the field at about 15 to 20 miles an hour, fully loaded, and it just glides through the field. The Kinze 1205 grain cart has a 1,400 bushel capacity, allowing it to hold 3 unloads. Each 780 combine holds 400 bushels. The Kinze 1205 is a dual auger design. It has one auger that runs across the bottom, which brings all the grain to the front, and then another auger that brings the grain up and into the truck to unload. The grain cart will then unload in about 2 minutes and be right back to the field to get the next load from the combine. If you like seeing farm equipment like this in action, please subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any of this harvest and tractor chasing action.